a series that's already had many problems just on scheduling and keeping dates and keeping rounds. Well, now we have it's another kind of problem. This is posted from their X, Twitter, whatever you want to call it, as of 11:41, November 23rd. So as I'm reading it today or yesterday, saying, "quote." As the sanctioning body of WSX, the FIM last night made a decision in relation to a race process error which occurred prior to Saturday's 2024 WSX Australian GP Round 2 Super Final. Vince Friese, Moto Concepts Racing, was mistakenly included in the Super Final lineup instead of Matt Moss, CDR Yamaha supported by Star Racing. Such error was not due to the fault of any rider, team, or WSX. In accordance with FIM protocol, the FIM has since confirmed that the relevant race results still stand as completed despite this error. And you gotta say, obviously, yes, there is probably no there's no fault for any rider or team. That would be correct. But no no fault for WSX. The, you know, the the people running this sport, they didn't know who to put into a race. They put the wrong person into a race, excluded a person, and then said, well, the race results stand, so yeah, deal with it." This looks horrible. I mean, especially like this is supposed to be a top level like championship. This is supposed to be, you know, a world class championship. And you're sitting there telling me that you can't even know or figure out who you're supposed to put into a race, much less figure it out and then at the end of it go, actually the race results stand. Sorry." I mean, obviously if you're Matt Moss, you're probably pissed about this cuz that's time on like TV time or FaceTime, whatever you want to call it. So that's good for the sponsors, it's good for him, good to be shown. I don't know. Somebody correct or comment down below. Tell me if there's, uh, I don't know if there was a monetary value to this or something, or just points in general. Like, how do you sit there and say, sorry, we put this guy in, not the guy who was supposed to be in, but well, the race happened, so oh well, it stands. Just to me, this looks horrible. I mean, this is a series that in 3 years they've missed 50% of their rounds, and you have problems like this in the second round of this year already. I don't know. To me, it looks really bad. But comment down below, tell me what you think. Did you watch it? You excited about WSX? Do you think it's gonna flop? Gonna continue? Whatever it is, comment down below. Tell me what you think. While you're down there, make sure to like, share, subscribe, do all the fun things this platform allows you to do because it really does help me out, and I appreciate it. And with that, I'll see you later. Peace.